How do SNPs and DTC tests create health predisposition reports? Imagine your DNA as a giant instruction manual. Within this manual, tiny spelling differences called single nucleotide polymorphisms or SNPs can change how your body functions. These small variations are found in millions of places across your DNA. When you take a direct-to-consumer genetic test, it looks for these tiny differences. The test uses a process called SNP genotyping. This method quickly scans your DNA for specific SNPs that scientists have linked to certain health traits or risks. Most tests analyze hundreds of thousands to over 1 million SNPs. While that sounds like a lot, it still covers only a small part of your entire genetic code. Once the test finds out which versions of these SNPs you have, the results are sent to a computer program. This program compares your SNPs to large databases filled with research data. These databases contain information from studies that show how certain SNPs are associated with increased or decreased chances of developing health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, or some types of cancer. The computer then uses this information to estimate your genetic risk for those conditions. It does not say you will get the disease but gives a percentage or category, like higher risk or average risk. This helps you understand your potential health predispositions based on your genetic makeup. It is important to remember that most SNPs do not directly cause illness. Instead, they suggest a small increase or decrease in risk. The reports are based on statistical probabilities, not certainties. They only include SNPs that scientists have studied well and are common in the population. Rare genetic changes that might have a bigger impact are often missed or not reported. These reports can be useful for families interested in hereditary health, but they are not a substitute for medical advice. For accurate health assessments, a healthcare professional can perform more detailed genetic testing that considers your full family history and health background. In summary, SNPs and DTC tests create health predisposition reports by identifying tiny genetic differences linked to health risks. The results are based on research data and statistical models, giving you a glimpse into your potential health future. But always remember, these reports are just one piece of the puzzle and should be interpreted carefully.